Hi Year 2, welcome to our maths for the 6th of May. Today we're going to be thinking about temperature. Okay, here's the grown-up bit first. In Year 2, children are introduced to temperature, thermometers, and the units degrees centigrade or degrees Celsius, both written degrees C, for the first time. They learn that temperature is higher when it is warmer, and they also apply their counting in 2s, 5s and 10s skills when reading different scales on the thermometer. Okay, let's think about temperature and how we measure it. Firstly, we use a thermometer. You've probably all seen thermometers at home and the ones in the classroom that look a little bit like the picture. What units can we use to measure temperature? We use degrees centigrade. If you look at the picture, you can see at the top there's a little circle with a C. This tells us that that's centigrade. The little circle and the C is how we write degrees centigrade. What is the scale going up in? Well, if you look under the degree C sign, you can see 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. That tells us the scale is going up in tens. That's 10 degrees at a time. If the temperature increases, what happens to the numbers on the scale? Well, actually, the numbers on the scale stay where they are. What happens is the red line goes up. So if the temperature decreases, what happens to the numbers on the scale? That's right. The numbers stay where they are, but the red line goes down. We can compare temperature using vocabulary such as increased, decreased, warmer, colder, and we can even use mathematical words like difference. Right then, if you have a thermometer at home, here's your chance to have a go at using it. Before you do, you need to copy the STEM sentence into your blue home writing book. Leave spaces for the gaps. Once you've done that, you need to go and measure the temperature in the kitchen and outside, and then come back and complete the STEM sentence. Pause the video while you do this. Okay, here's a challenge for you. Do you agree or not? I think that the thermometer A shows a hotter temperature than thermometer B because it is higher on the page. There is more red. Do you agree? I hope you don't agree. I hope you think it's wrong that I think that. If we look carefully at the scales, we can see that both are at 30 degrees C. One scale is going up in 5s, the other scale is going up in 10s, but the temperature that they both show is 30 degrees C. Finally today, there are some problems for you to have a go at solving. You can either print the sheet from the school website or copy the questions into your blue home writing book. I hope you enjoy doing them, and I'll see you soon.